Hi, this is Dr. Scott Boden of the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut, and I'd like to speak with you today about eyebrow transplantation. There are many reasons why people lose their eyebrows. It's important to do a medical evaluation, but the most common reason for eyebrow thinning or eyebrow loss is hereditary. Also, very commonly, patients overpluck or have overplucked their eyebrows, and unfortunately those eyebrows may not come back. And we look into medical reasons for eyebrow loss, such as underactive thyroid. The patient I'd like to present today is a woman named Nadia. She overplucked her eyebrows when she was a younger woman. She subsequently had an eyebrow tattoo to provide an appearance of thicker eyebrows, but she wasn't satisfied with that. And so what we did was provided eyebrow transplantation, which involves taking the hair from the back of the head and dividing them carefully one by one and reimplanting them into the eyebrows. It's done in such a way as to create an appearance of greatest density in the center of the brow. So the eyebrow angulation is very important, the direction of hair growth is very important, and cosmetically, the ultimate goal is to create a natural appearance. The eyebrows, of course, provide an upper frame for the eyes, and it's very important that we create a natural appearance so that when you meet someone, they look you in the eye and not drawn to your eyebrows. So for women and also for men that are self-conscious because they've had injury to the eyebrow or overplucking or just hereditary loss, they should come to seek a qualified professional, and we can discuss potential permanent solutions for eyebrow hair loss.
Well, I actually overplucked my eyebrows to the point where they stopped growing back, and I had to have them tattooed to fill in the bald spots, and I would spend 20-30 minutes a day putting makeup on them to make them look natural. And eventually I heard about eyebrow transplants, and 5 years later I have no makeup on my brows right now at all. This is natural. The hair is, I literally had maybe a line of hair, not even, and half of the eyebrow was missing. So in comparison to what I had, now I have full natural looking brows. No one would ever know I had a transplant.